Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again, and let me quickly answer this question. Okay, so it says, what is the redeem process and which wallet is best? Please tell. So in every crypto project, there are stages involved, or there are phases. Okay, so on this Tapswap thing, we are now at the mining stage. Okay, we are not done with the mining yet, so we are currently at the mining stage, or the mining phase. So we all have to focus on mining, accumulating more coins or points. Okay, and then the team behind the project will bring to us when we can redeem, or where we can redeem our coins to. Okay, so for now, we are not at the redeeming or claiming phase. Okay, so we are currently mining, so let's focus on the mining for now. And if the redeeming phase comes, I will let my community know. Okay, so subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Turn on your notifications. Once the redeeming phase is enabled, I will let you all know. But for now, let's all mine in peace. Bye bye.